It's a 2014 Nissan Versa Note. Raise your expectations and enjoy the freedom of uncompromising value, because living richly isn't about how much you spend. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: auxiliary audio input, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, power windows, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and voice activation. Car and Driver explains Nissan has hollowed out the Note's interior to provide surprising space. Various Nissan charts show the Note as being best in class in a number of interior measurements, but the one that impresses most is rear seat space. Nissan, built for the human race. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.